The essence of business networking is meeting people up close and personal. People get to know you, trust, and they may even like you enough to refer you. KPN membership has its benefits like paying as you go without the heavy membership fees, dues, and rules. The additional benefits are having your own Spotlight directory page, referrals for members, and an opportunity to attend mixers and functions. The business professions are limited to 2 disciplines per category. This minimizes competition and maximizes referral opportunity. KPN has helped me on a personal level to help find a good broker to live where I want. KPN on a business level enables members to help one another achieve success. Thank you, Eric Olson, Right Way Carpet Cleaning.